Hey, what's up, y'all? Slate's at my house, so we're about to go ride four-wheelers. I reckon we ain't going to the creek because he's on the recon. So we're gonna go ride to the, what's it called, mud. Come on, mud up. The struggle is real. It's been about 3.5 days since I rode this, even though I rode it yesterday, but that's besides the point. Someone pull the front end up. Nobody doesn't want to try and race me. Some hooligan left shells in the road. I can't believe this. It wasn't me because I ain't shot in like a week or two, so. I ain't shot since like the week before squirrel season went out. He's about to get stuck and I'm gonna laugh like a bath. Watch the pothole. Oh my lord, this is deep. Ow. I wasn't paying attention. I was seeing if the GoPro was on good. Deuce is just peeing casually. He's like, if I get hit, I get hit, man. That's right there's a bad rut too. This is still pretty thick. Get on one side and lean it. Our axle scrubbed for sure. Oh, you're out already? Just go through it. Bro didn't even get halfway through. Just shake it. Get on one side of it and just lean it to that side and stick with that side. Just keep doing that all the way down. Rock it that way, then rock it hard that way. You are very bottomed out in the front though, so that's the problem. Look how wide the road is. It's almost too wide for this. Oh, let me try.
Yeah. I knew that was gonna happen.
Oh, I'm moving a little. It's about to be bad right here. How bad does it look? Oh my lord, look how sideways it is now. Alright, I'm gonna pull it back in this rut.
Oh my, look in the back. The back right here.
We moved a little. That's because all the water is soaked to the bottom of the mud. Oh my lord, it's slinging all over me. Look how thick and bad it is. Oh my. It's bad on this side too. It's slinging it. Yeah, we're halfway through. The hard part's gonna be climbing up this rut. We moved a little more. Oh my, look at this this is dug out again. The tires are just spinning. I almost got it. Come look at back here. All right, go down there, I reckon. Y'all, look at this mud. It's bad. I'll let him pee real quick. I'm coming back through this. Oh, I about fell in. Dude, come look at these ruts. That's bad. I'll give you $10 to stick your foot right here. Like, stand on it. Try and see how long it takes for you to sink. Why? I got on Crocs too. But look how bad that is. I'm gonna come back through this. I got to. Alright, I'm gonna get it out in like seconds. I had to spin the tires a bunch just one time. We're literally on the rut. Look, I'm on the wall of the rut right here. Watch out, I might hit you. There you go. Look how bad it got dug out because of you. You should like full send it into it, just like go flying into it. That's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go back through it real quick, watch. Turn around at, but I turn around somewhere. All right, I'm putting it in first. Oh, I'm in neutral. I was in first. All right. We can make this about as bad as the one by Grand's. That one has the most thick mud and the softest. But this is just like clay mixed with dirt. So it can get real bad. Bro came back. Come on, Deuce. Load up. Let's turn around if you can. There's a bunch of briars. Deuce, come on. I gotta load him up. Come on. Come on, load up. Hey, man, come on. Load up. Load up. Come on, buddy. I'm about to take Slate to the worst hole for that we're gonna go through today. I could really just run into him and push him. He needs to bring his forward, though. That'd be so much fun. I want to see him hit these holes with forward drive. Follow me. Look at all the clay coming off my tires. It's gonna be worse for him considering that the back tires stick out more on the Recon. They stick out past the floorboards. We're about to go in this little swamp and see how that goes for him. See if he's smart enough to skip around the rut. Oh, it looks bad now that it's dried down. Come on. Oh my, you might want to get in first. What? I'd get in first. So you can spin the tires as fast as you can. Second would be fine too. Oh. Ow. Oh my, look how thick right here is all this sand. I wonder if he's gonna go through it or go around. I'm going around, I ain't stupid. Go through that. Because it's bad. Oh, you're only in one rut. You're only in one rut. Only one side of your four-wheeler's in a rut. You should have done what I did. Hey, lean the four-wheeler to that side where it's less water, and you probably will get out.
I wasn't planning on getting my socks wet.
Dude, I get my socks wet every video. You gotta sacrifice.
I have another pair to go hunting tomorrow.
I have like 30 pairs, don't worry. Alright, I'll do the easy solution real quick. I don't know what that's gonna be, but I'll think of something. Ow, I bent my toes. Oh, there goes my sock. Yuck. Don't spin them. Let me hop on. This right here is way worse on this side. If you going through the middle, I'd have to winch you out. I'll just say that much.
Why did you tell me to go?
Because I thought you might make it if you go through the middle. No, I thought I wanted to wrench you out on my crock. You're gonna get wet over there. Dang it. Ow. The tree just pulled my hair. Oh, the back of my shirt is covered in mud. I'll be alright though. I'm tough. As teachers would say. In situations like this. Oh, it's like solid right here, but then it drops. Alright, I'm doing the easy way out. Go hit the gas. And that might help. But I'm gonna put it in reverse, Terry. Should have wore shorts and no socks. Oh, that sucked. Come hit the gas if you can. Just ease on it. Come on. Come on. Ease it. Alright. Oh, you just threw water all on my arm. Ease the gas. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Not hard though. Alright, you're good. Your tire's gonna spin. Just come around this edge right here. It's bad now that it's dry. Stay in reverse, just stay in reverse. I'd back up and then get to the edge. This stuff's bad, y'all. I know down here it's gonna be bad. Alright, you're good. Oh, right here looks bad too. Look at the bottom. I know right here's got to be muddy. It's a circle loop. not stuck now. Let me go help him and then I'll pull myself out. Well, I'll get him to help me winch. Look at that, dude. I thought I made it at first. Easy, easy, easy. Don't spin it that bad or you're just gonna make it worse. I'm gonna pick it back up.
Right, Dan. I just said I need to go home and change.
Huh? Yeah, I'm changing after this too. Look at me, dude. Oh, this is nasty mud.
Sitting here.
I didn't think you would get stuck right here. But it's rutted now. Ooh. Come hit the gas. Don't hit it hard, just ease. Go. Keep easing, go. Go. Alright, you're out.
I'm taking my pants off in a second.
What?
I'm taking my pants off.
This ain't even the worst. Look at me, dude. I went directly through it. I went directly through the mud.
You're gonna have to winch.
Yeah, on that tree right there. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna winch and I'll catch y'all. I reckon this is the end of the video, so peace out. I'll see y'all on the next. Just know I will get this out.